Welcome everybody. Today we're going to learn how to integrate Go for Clients with a Facebook lead ad form. Before starting, I want to remind you of a very important stat. Did you know that reaching out to a lead just one day after reduces the probability of that lead becoming a customer by 60 times? And if it only takes you an hour, it still reduces that probability by 7 times. So the conclusion here is that reaching out to leads immediately is super critical, and it's what's going to make your results better and your sales higher. So that's why using our Go for Clients templates is so important and such a useful tool. So let's go right into this subject. I'm going to click login to go ahead and access my Go for Clients account. You can get to that lead form at Drip right here from this icon on the dashboard, or from the top part of the toolbar going to drips and my drips. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I'm heading straight to the template section so that I can choose one of the provided templates for this purpose. Our example today is going to be an email, or let's call it a welcome email for that lead, and also an internal notification for us via email as well. All of that integrated to that Facebook form. So all we have to do is go ahead and click on use template. And let's configure my drip. It is going to be triggered from Facebook. I'm going to leave that. On the email section, it just asks me to verify which email address I'm going to use as the sender for that notification via email and that welcome, that onboarding email. So once I choose it, I just click on build drip. And that drag and drop interface from Go for Clients opens up. But the cool thing is that you don't have to build anything. We've done everything for you. All we have to do is go ahead and follow the instructions right here on the right hand side. And I'm going to just click on start here to continue with the process. The first thing, step 1 of 3, it's asking me to do is connect with Facebook Business. Before doing that, I just want to show you that in my computer right here, I do have a Facebook account. I also have a form, and this is what I'm going to use to practice with you. That form has a field that is asking, would you like a demo? It's an open question, and it also has the typical information that you would request on a form, like full name, the email, and the phone number. So I'm going to use this and integrate that to Go for Clients. So let's see, connect with Facebook. I just click on that connection. It'll detect the Facebook account that I have, and it'll ask me which one I want to use. If this is not the one you want, you can just log into another account. So very easy. I'm going to continue with mine. Once I do that, very quickly, it turns into a connected status showing a successful integration. I just click on next step. And now I have to choose the Facebook page that I'm going to use. If you had more than one, they're all going to be listed right here in this dropdown. So I'm going to choose Go for Demo, and the form that you want to integrate. And again, if you had more than one, all of them would be listed here. I'm choosing the one that I have. Next step is mapping those fields. This means associating the fields from the form to whatever Go for Clients fields are required. If I'm going to personalize that welcome email with name, the name of the lead, then I need to bring that name from the form. So the name field in Go for Clients, I'm going to fill from the full name field in the form. The email I needed to send my notification and emails, of course, I'm going to pick from the email field, and the mobile is coming from that phone number. There it is. If you have another field that you need, you just need to activate it here. And of course, again, map it. In this scenario, I want to, that open question that I showed you, I want to associate that to this message tag. So would you like a demo is going to populate and come to my attention in the notification. If you need any more tags for that, here you just click on the plus sign. You can choose whatever you require. There's some customized ones as well. And if you just want to verify that the data that you've just mapped is in the correct order, the C data will provide that. So as you can see, email is coming to the email field. The full name is with the name. So it looks pretty much what I need, and I'm just going to continue. It'll say go to actions. So right now that action is just how long will it take me to react, to send that notification or to send that email out. As I said from that stat before, it is important to do it as quickly as possible, but of course you might have different requirements. You can set it for seconds, minutes, hours, or days. I'm going to go ahead and leave it as soon as, because I want to reach out to that lead immediately. I click on go to the next drip unit. So we're finished with Facebook, and now we're jumping to the next drip unit, which is the notification. That notification, I'm going to send that to an email. Everything here I'm going to use with my email address, but of course you can change it to where you need it, sales department, your call center, or whatever. In this example, as I told you, we're choosing email, but you can see that there are other templates where you can choose SMS or a voice call, a phone call, to send that notification, or combine the three. So it's very cool that you have those options. In here I'm leaving it email. Everything here is, you can change how you write the subject, etc. Even the design of the template that's going to reach your team as a notification. If you need to change it, just click on change and go to the template section and look for something that matches your requirement. You may even have a pre-designed a landing page, if you will, that you want to use. You could choose that as well. I'm happy with mine, so I'm going to just click on back, and I'm sticking to that design, and I'm just going to go to the next drip unit, which is the email. This is the last unit that we're going to configure. So go ahead and just click on configuration, and you can see that the setup is pretty much the same as that notification. I already, it's an email, of course, and I want to personalize it. I want to say welcome and welcome whatever the name of that lead is. So I'm using the hashtag name, hashtag form format from Go for Clients to go ahead and pick that information from the form. Changing the design of that email is also possible. Just click on change design. I already showed you how, so I'm not gonna take more time doing that. So right here, it's done. All I have to do, guys, is save my drip. Let's give it a name. I'm just gonna say it's a Facebook demo. You could give it a lengthier description if you needed to. Make sure you click on send and activate, and that drip is ready to run. Here it is. It's clicked on, it's ready to run, and let's run it. So I suggest that when you want to test your forms, you want to use this link for developers, because it allows you to test those forms without having to publish them, and therefore without having to pay for that test. So once you're here, make sure that you don't have any prior leads. You just click on delete ad. But here, all we need to do is preview that form. Once that form is previewed, go ahead and start filling out the information just like if you were the lead. So yes, I need a demo. I'm gonna write that. I'm the lead. I'm gonna send it. I put that my name is Juan, that my email. And guys, don't let, I'm using everything with Juan Osorio at tellingtale.net just for the demo purposes, but you get the idea. And I'm missing the phone, so here it is. I'm putting that phone. Oops. There it is. And submitting the Facebook lead ad and see what happens. So right now what I want to do is I want to bring over my email inbox. And as you can see, immediately I start receiving those emails. The first email that got is as a lead that I filled out the form, I get that welcome message. And here it is, welcome Juan. So fantastic. It picked the name from the form, and Go for Clients automatically sent me that welcome email, that onboarding email. So perfect. And if I clicked on here, I also received, if I was that sales team, if I was that call center, I received that notification. It's saying, hey, you have a new lead, and it's providing all that information. It's providing the name of the lead, the phone number, that they want a demo, and the email. So you see how quickly and easy this was. This was a successful Facebook lead ad integration with Go for Clients. I hope that you find this useful and you start using your drips immediately. Thank you, and see you next time.